Hey guys, it's been a hot minute or two since we've done a video here, but figured you might want to see what's going on in the shop. There's a nice Porsche. It's going to be a race car. Woo woo. Got a bunch of stuff under plastic and a Spook. What's up?
Ah!
Ah.
What are you doing today?
Oh, videoing you guys.
Oh.
Recovering from the show still.
Oh, yes. I don't think I've slept more than, normally I sleep 6-7 hours in a day if it's a good day. I think I was down for almost 12
Yeah.
on Sunday night, Monday night. So it was like, I was whooped. I was still hurting the next day, so I'm glad Monday is kind of an off day around here.
You know, we're not in our 20s anymore, right?
No. I have to give props to the guys, though. It's like I felt like an old guy. I got told, go sit in the car, you're in the way.
Go sit down.
So it's like I felt bad about it, but, I saw their point. I was getting in the way. They know their jobs. I don't have to do that for them.
So what you're working on with all this pile of goodies?
This just pre-assembly work is what we call it. We're trying to figure out what we can salvage and reuse. It's like probably, and if it is salvageable and reusable, it's like I've got to inspect the wires. I've got to see if there's any breaks. I've got to check the contacts. So basically, you just got to make sure that everything's functioning correctly. And then any exterior parts, I tend to all strip down and go ahead and paint and get it prepped for the next phase of assembly, which somebody else will do or I'll do or something. But this way, all of the parts are ready to go.
That's great.
So I'm tracking down all of the missing screws, all of the little broken things, and it's about a day and a half worth of brain dead stuff.
That's awesome. Well, so you're looking for a screw. Is that what you're saying?
I didn't say that. I said, but I do have some loose nuts running around.
That's awesome.
So that's pretty much my day. I mean, as a painter, this disgusts me.
Yeah, you got
as a
grubby
polish
hands.
guy. But, as a car guy, you gotta love it. Ooh, looking for these.
Cool.
But it's trying to do a giant puzzle in your head.
Right.
So as I'm cleaning...
With no box top.
No, so as I'm cleaning up parts, I'm thinking about all of the components that are within that section. So right now I'm not missing, but I cannot find the inner steering column that actually rotates the wheels. I found the outer housing, and now I've got to track down all the components for it. So
Okay.
Also looking for the rear sway bar thing that this car had. I'm missing
Sway
part
bar
of it.
thingamajig.
Yeah, sway bar thingamajig. I don't know. So I'm missing part of that.
It's like a little Easter egg hunt.
Kinda, but I've got 10,000 square feet worth of shop to go look at.
Oh, good.
So yeah,
Scavenger hunt.
pretty much a scavenger hunt. So snotty boy over there.
All right. Snotty boy. What?
Snotty boy.
Are you
Snotty
Snotty boy?
boy.
Is this your new nickname? You're not snotty. What are you up to?
About 6 foot.
Oh, good one. Did you have a good time at the show?
I did. Had a real good time at the show.
Fantastic.
Rain sucked driving home. It's okay.
Yeah, that for sure.
We made it home safe, so it's all
So
fine.
Rodney actually drove the big truck with the big hauler. We had a little bit of excitement.
Yes, we did.
Had a little bit of a blowout.
Yes, we did. Along with a personal blowout on the way to work.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
same
you
morning.
had kind of a track record there.
Yeah, so I got that beat out this afternoon. Got a new tire on there.
Oh, good. All right. That's good then. And you actually camped at the show.
I did. I camped out security.
All right. This is good.
It's pretty
this
fun.
Is good.
It's pretty fun.
Any shenanigans, or was pretty quiet?
Pretty quiet, which is good.
That is a good thing.
Talked
You
to the
wanna get a
police,
good
got
sleep.
profiled by the police, so that's all
What?
good. too.
Wait, what? I didn't know
Yes.
about that.
Yeah, they stopped me from when I was out there walking around in a black cop car. Are you staying the night? I was like, yes. Where you staying? I was right here.
Oh. They
Okay,
didn't-
I just want to make sure.
Security got questioned by security.
Yes, exactly. Well, when you're dressed in all black in the middle of the night, that kind of
Yeah.
that'll do that for
Well,
you.
you are kind of scary looking.
I was gonna
I'm
say,
kinda scary looking
like
in
we
the
know
first
you,
place,
but
so.
they don't. So
Exactly.
One of the
that's
sweetest
wild.
dudes I know.
I know,
Exactly.
right? Man, well, I'm glad you had a good time.
I did have a good time.
Fantastic.
This morning's been paperwork, catching up on leads, that kind of stuff. And
Yeah, we talked to a bunch of people.
we did. Talked
Got a
to
bit of a
bunch
waiting list going right now.
Yep, got a little bit of waiting list going right now. Had a couple people show up today. Matter of fact, even two.
Oh, wow.
So we've got
Well,
that
tell
going
them
on.
about the weird car that
30,
what?
33 Chrysler convertible.
Oh,
He wants us. He inquired about us doing a top on a 33 Chrysler.
Interesting. A 33.
33 Chrysler.
Oh, I wanna
He
see
said it's a
that.
short wheelbase at 120 inches.
Oh.
A long wheelbase is 145.
Oh my gosh.
He
I
said
have
it's
to
the
see
short
this, a
wheelbase.
land yacht. That's awesome.
Yeah, local
33.
client. So we're going to take a look at it and see if we can.
Is he gonna
help him
bring it
out.
by?
He's going to bring it by.
You will call me, right?
I will.
Okay.
I'll let you know.
If you're not here, we'll video it.
Please
Yeah,
do.
we'll video it for you. He said it was restored in the early 80s.
All right, so it's about due, right?
He's owned it since 88 and it's starting to get some holes in the top.
So that's like 30 years or so. Yeah.
So still running, driving car and everything.
Nice.
Older gentleman in his probably 80s.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Oh, I love that.
So it's
That's
pretty
so
cool.
cool. That's going to be a car with a story.
It will be a car with a story. Now we're starting on a 59 bus resurrection. We're just doing all the sheet metal and probably lowering it, and that's all it's going to be.
That's it, huh?
That's it. We call it
That'll
the
be
preacher bus because it's owned by a local preacher. So
All right.
we call it preacher.
Preach it. There you go. Yeah, every bus and car needs a nickname. So.
Oh yeah, it
That's
does.
awesome.
Stone's back there right now welding on it.
Well, I'm going to go check him out. Oh, there we go. You're working on the preacher, huh?
Yep.
Wow, this is...
First day of metal
wow. This has a little bit of rust.
Just a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing we can't fix.
Nope. Wow. So this has never been restored, probably.
Not that I know of.
Yeah. Maybe repaired, but... Wow. Dude. So it's not going out for blast?
No, this is gonna be a hood ride.
Okay.
He wants to keep it hood ride. So, fix what we need to fix, third and primer, and let it be.
Wow. Just wow. I have nothing more to say.
Probably,
This is wow,
about
guys.
6 inches, probably.
Oh my. I don't know if you can see
Came
all.
all the way.
And I love patina, but just wow.
It's still
How is
gone.
this still held together? Oh.
The air framework's fine, but the outer parts are
All right. Yeah.
some water got to them.
House floor.
Probably first foot in there, probably 6 inches or so.
Wow.
On each side, and the middle's perfect. The middle's perfect.
Yeah. Well, that should keep you out of trouble for a little bit.
Keep me custom for a little while.
Yeah. Oh my.
That's normal nowadays.
Well, that's kind of cool. And it's like every color, isn't it?
A little bit of everything, yeah.
All right, let's see what's going on outside. We got the quiet of the boneyard. And let's swing back over this way. No goats today. Although I do think our neighbors might have gotten peacocks. They're very loud, so that could be it. I'm not going down in the mud today, folks, but we'll leave you with this nice thing that is in process. All right, hope you have a great time today, and thanks for tuning in.